Current affairs, the most important and the most neglected part of UPSC preparation. Out of 100 questions, 25 to 30% are directly coming from current affairs. And students को लगता है कि न्यूज़पेपर से current affairs पढ़ लेना और notes बना लेना, that is it. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Current affairs को बहुत ही structured तरीके से और smart तरीके से cover करना होता है. Step number 1. Please read the newspaper on a daily basis. Either the Hindu or the Indian Express, because the more you read the newspaper yourself, the more you relate to the current events happening and going on around you. Step number 2. Do not make notes directly from the newspaper on each and every article. Articles को subject wise, GS wise categorize करना है. तो जब आप current affair को GS subject से relate कर पाओगे, तो जब उस subject से related chapter या topic पढ़ोगे, then it will become very clear to you why it is in news and how UPSC can frame actually questions on it. And the third step is that if you are finding it tough initially to understand the articles related with the GS papers, then you have Super Kalam's daily news analysis, which is free. You just have to go through the daily news analysis, which includes the editorials as well, understand how it is related to GS papers, why it is in news, what is the context and background, and how questions can be formed by UPSC based on that article. Current affairs को last moment के लिए मत छोड़ना. Daily जब आप पढ़ने की समझने की आदत लगाते हो, then you automatically become confident.